or no one else has the right to give you permission on how you talk about yourself. What gives someone else the authority, the audacity to think they can tell you how you talk about yourself? When you endured everything you endured in your life, when you went over those obstacles, that adversity, when you grew up with that single mom, that abusive father, those drug addictions, you did that. So how do they, who don't even know you, haven't even met you, have the right to tell you how you should talk about and treat and edify yourself? No one has that right, young men, young kings, and our wise kings, even at your wise age. No one has the right to make you belittle or humble yourself. Have you ever looked up the definition of humble? It says to have a lowly view of oneself.